Hello, Merry Christmas. And today is day 11 of my Build in Public for AI for Pinoys. And this is G, yours truly. So ano ba nangyari for day 11? Pinaka masayang nangyari is kumain tayo ng napakasarap na pizza. So this is from Pizzetta. Pizzetta. Ang kanyang tagline, crust us, you'll be back. So true, I'll be back. So I ordered like three different types of pizzas. So, shinare ko naman sa friends ko, but it's really good. Ano ba nangyari for day 11? Day 11, I tried to improve on the less than a minute ginawa ko na application. So instead of using it locally, meaning sa computer ko, I wanted it deployed na lang sa cloud. So I set up like a Firebase database same backend plus in-upload ko siya in Vercel, at least for the front end, no? So, libre naman kasi rin lahat siya. So, at least ma-authenticate in case na bala ko siyang like people wants to use it or people wants to try it out, they can actually now access it online and they can actually use it as well because it doesn't use my API, meaning you have to provide your own API for this. But the cool thing that I did is dapat sponsor nga nila ako eh. But because since I remember I keep on using like Tella TV, which is like one of my favorite screen recording. Say it's a start fresh tayo. So ginawa ko i-integrate ko. They just recently released their API docs. So meron sila, hindi ka na mag-connect via their API, no? So or via their MCP server. So Tella TV is basically a screen recording. So ang maganda lang kay Tella is it records your screen, like what you see here, that what I'm using now, and it also separately records your face, so you can edit both in their platform. Why I really enjoy using Tela is mainly because you can, aside from it's separate, you can what you call this, you can record both the screen and your face is their SRT. So automatically transcribes everything and then you can just download the SRT file. Which is the SRT file? That basically is the transcript of your video. That thing for me that's very useful because with the SRT you can do quite a number of things. You can create multiple content. You can repurpose that into different content. And with my particular case, I use that to create thumbnails aside from content. No. The third thing is that you can do quite a few edits in the platform like zooms. You can change the like whether it's landscape or vertical or sorry, vertical or portrait mode. So this is very useful if you want to do like a long form video like what I'm doing here for YouTube, or if you want to do short form videos like for TikTok, for shorts, and for reels, not for Instagram reels. So those are the things, and you can do quite a number of edits. I think I suggest that you should check out Tela TV. So ito lang because I was able to integrate that in the platform. As you can see, I can, if I click on this, I can now browse all the videos that I've done and it just basically pulls out the transcript. So like if I say I want to do the resibo ko or sa tomorrow's so mapping yan. So it will now load the transcript and I can now choose the content type that I want for it. And the output format, whether it's short form, long form, yeah. So cool, di ba? Like this will save me time kasi originally yung ginagawa ko, it's whenever I download the video for editing in CapCut, I have to also download the SRT file, go to Gemini, generate a prompt, an image prompt, copy paste that image prompt to another Gemini, while it generates the image. No, the problem there is that it always leaves that watermark of Gemini na it was generated there. This ilalim sa bottom right. So I don't like that. So ginawa ko naman. So I started using the API via Google AI Studio. Then copy paste. Pero ang ginagawa ko naman doon, you have to keep on uploading your photo reference, your style reference. So, madaming process. So, it takes you hours to be able to finish a thumbnail, no? I mean, several thumbnails. So, it's time consuming. So, I don't like, I mean, what if na lang what if we can just make it we're just uploading something, it would generate for us automatically, So that's the reason why I called it less than a minute. So it actually generates it less than a minute. So yeah, like you can actually upload everything here and have style reference, etc. So yeah, no, like ito yung nagawa ko na using Tella as well, no? So that's the reason why I like Tella. So that's the reason why I integrated Tella in this platform, less than a minute man. Because it makes things way easier for content creators to just generate content. Yung bala ko ngayon next project ko is with the SRT, you can now create posts as well. Like you can create LinkedIn posts, you can create X post, you can create your blog post, you can create Reddit post. So or sa iba't ibang community. So now I'm thinking how to do that or how to create something like that. Should I integrate it here or should I come up with a different platform? Anyway, yun lang mga naisip ko at my ideas. So yun lang, I just wanted to share that for day 11 of my build in public. I'll see you guys. Bye-bye.